Enjoy making this flavorful recipe and delight in the perfect blend of textures and tastes. Start by preparing the banana nut biscuit base with mashed bananas, walnuts, flour, sugar, eggs, melted butter, baking powder, and vanilla. Bake until golden and let it cool. Next, whip up the creamy topping using heavy cream, cream cheese, powdered sugar, and vanilla. Refrigerate until set. Then create the zesty orange curd with egg yolks, sugar, orange juice, zest, and butter. Assemble your trifle with layers of biscuit cubes, creamy topping, and orange curd. Garnish with walnuts or zest and chill. Experience the harmony of flavors in every bite. Check the description for full details.